Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to continue my Microsoft Sentinel journey. I have already logged into my Microsoft Sentinel page, and from the main page I am going to select the Analytics blade, and in the Analytics blade I have already created one rare RDP connection in my previous video. This is one of the analytics rule, and in today's video I am going to create a Microsoft incident creation rule. So go ahead and click on create, and from the down arrow you have to select the Microsoft incident creation rule, and under analytics rule details I have to give a name. So I am going to give a name. So I have given the name as Microsoft Defender for Cloud Only Medium and High. Let's keep the status as enable. Under analytics rule logic you have to select Microsoft Security Service. So I am going ahead and selecting Microsoft Defender for Cloud Service. Filter by severity, select custom and select high and medium, and let's keep the default as it is and click on next. And in automated response window we do not have any automation rules, so this rule actually will be very important for SOC analyst. Let's not add any rule at the moment. Go ahead and click on next review button. Validation is passed, you can see, and click on create button, and within a second your rule will be created. You can see that this is the rule, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Only Medium and High. This rule is created. So this is very easy to create in Microsoft Sentinel. I hope that this video will be useful for your SIEM operation or your day-to-day incident management task. This is very simple video. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel to upload more and more useful videos. Thank you for watching this video.